Hello, you're tuned to the Alvin Art channel. I make art wherever I go, even when I'm overseas. If you're new here, thank you for joining us this episode. Let's just say it's been a really long while, 4 years to be exact, since our last Asialink Sketchwalk event. Do you like Hanoi?
Yeah, I like very good.
Okay, what do you like about Hanoi?
This place is very old city. I like all the place, all the house, all the landscape. Okay, very good.
Here's a quick recap to bring us up to speed. Speaking of speed, 4 years is what it takes for us to travel at the speed of light to the next closest star, Proxima Centauri. But in that room right now, they're discussing and they're working out who's gonna be the next host. We heard the news that Suwon will be helming the event in 2021, but the big C happened. So now, in 2023 is the time. I've been invited to run workshops and a demo during this event, which means I have very little time to sketch. So I'm gonna do it during the pockets of time I have on this trip, starting with this train ride. The 8th person I've met before, Suwon. So who are the other 7 that I've already met? Hey everyone, guess who's here? Hello! First person I'm meeting for the Asialink Sketchwalk. Okay, so yeah. Second person I've met, this is Michael from Singapore. Hi everyone!
Hi.
This is the 3rd person I've met. So see you in Suwon. 4th person I've met here in Seoul before Suwon. So see them in Suwon. So this is the 5th and 6th person that I've met before we head off to Suwon. Everyone, this is Alvin. Here it is Tito, and we'll be here for the next 4 days. I met him on the train. We're gonna meet a whole bunch of sketches. Finally, it has started again. The last one was in 2019 in Hanoi, so we're so happy here in Asia to restart this program and activity again. There's a Starbucks right here. Thank you to the team in Suwon for inviting me to do the workshops and demo. And thank you for this lovely room that you have provided. Wow. Hi everyone, this is Yurim and she's my guide. She'll take care of me on the first day of the workshop. This is the Seoul Convention Center. We are all meeting here for our first day. So we're going to scout out or recce my area. Let's head on to the park. And also wrecking the same location with me is Sheila. So happy to be meeting her.
I live in Jakarta.
Jakarta, okay. Do you meet up with the urban sketchers?
Yeah, with Donald.
Yeah, Donald. Okay.
Thursday.
Hello, Donald. Apa kabar? How I heard about you is through Gabby from Ambon. So happy to meet you finally. They're still working on the stage, but I think we'll be fine. They'll be ready by tomorrow. Wow. Hey people, check this out! How's the view from here? Not high enough? Let's go higher. After familiarizing ourselves with the workshop location, we are given about 30 minutes for a sketching session. Yippee! And yay, we also have time for a mini throwdown. The rest of the instructors are at another part of Suwon, so it's just us here today. Okay, we have a mini throwdown here with everyone. Look at that. What? The organizers are bringing us to have some Korean fried chicken. Our chicken is already cold. This is Jini Park Studio. It's on the 3rd floor. Before the chicken place, a stop by Jini Park Studio, which is also the headquarters for the event. This is the HQ. This is where they prepare all the tote bags. Oh, Kyungju. Tote bags, and look at all of that. This is known as Chicken Street. Lots of chicken places here.
It's the famous chicken.
Chicken. This is onion. Jini Park. 사와디카.
Hello everybody. Thank you so much for coming here in Suwon. I'm so glad to meet you in Suwon. Everybody, do whatever you want, okay?
Yes.
Hey, yeah.
sketching on 5 years ago.
After handing out some stickers and catching up with some sketcher friends that I've not seen in about a year or so, it's time for some ice cream at CU convenience store. And after sorting out some more stuff at Jini Park Studio, it was time to head back to rest for the next day's event opening. Just in case you think that it's a small pencil, why HB? Okay. Yeah, Jini is the brand ambassador for staplers.
네, 그쵸, 거기 있잖아요.
Until day 1 of Asialink Sketchwalk, this is Alvin reporting to you from the pre-event at Asialink Sketchwalk Suwon. Hey, you know what? I bet some of you are wondering where I got this clip from. I don't use AI generated videos at this point in time, so I actually took a ferry to Batam, Indonesia and shot it. Hey everyone, what's up? We're here in Batam, very near the Nagoya Mall area, and it's time to shoot that Asialink using this drone for the title intros for my Asialink series. Good shots, right? It's a bit out of the way, but I'm glad I got it. Trouble that I take to film these for your entertainment pleasure.